the maths teachers. Welcome you all back to the e-learning program. Let us recall what was taught in the previous video. Write the numbers in expanded form, properties of addition, missing digits, word problems and estimating sum. Now let us start with third chapter, subtraction. Content are subtraction of 4-digit number, properties of subtraction, checking addition and subtraction together, estimating the difference. Today let us learn subtraction of 4-digit number and properties of subtraction. Subtraction means taking away or reducing a quantity from the same kind. In subtraction, we are using the common terms. Minuend. The larger number from which other number is subtracted is called minuend. Subtrahend. The number subtracted from larger number is called subtrahend. Difference. The result of subtraction is called the difference. Let us learn subtraction without regrouping. Subtract 2534 from 5986. Arrange the numbers in columns with the larger number on the top of the smaller number using place value chart. Subtract the ones first. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Write 2 in the ones column. Subtract the tens. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Write 5 in the tens column. Subtract the hundreds. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Write 4 in the hundreds column. Finally, subtract the thousands. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Write 3 in the thousands column. Let us take one more example. Subtract 4521 from 6852. Here, 6852 is greater than 4521. Write these numbers in a place value chart. Subtract the ones. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Subtract the tens. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Subtract the hundreds. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Subtract the thousands. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Thus, 6852 minus 4521 is equal to 2331. Now subtracting with regrouping. Subtract 3678 from 8163. Arrange the numbers in columns with the large number on the top of the smaller number. Subtract the ones first. 3 is lesser than 8. From tens column we borrow 1 10 leaving behind 5 tens. 13 ones minus 8 ones is equal to 5 months. Write 5 under ones column. Now subtracting tens. 5 is less than 7. From hundreds column we borrow 1 hundreds leaving behind 0 hundred. 15 tens minus 7 tens is equal to 8 tens. subtracting hundreds. 0 is less than 6. So from thousands column, we borrow 1000s, leaving behind 7000s. 10 hundreds minus 6 hundreds is equal to 4 hundreds. So write 4 under hundreds column. Subtracting thousands. 7 thousands minus 3 thousands is equal to 4 thousands. So write 4 under thousands column. Thus, 8163 minus 3678 is equal to 4485. Let us take up one more example. 8267 minus 3698. Write these numbers in the place value chart. In the ones column, 7 is lesser than 8. So, borrowing 1 tens from 6 tens. So, 6 tens and 7 ones is equal to 5 tens and 17 ones. Subtracting 17 ones minus 8 ones is equal to 9 ones. So, write 9 under ones column. Step 2. 5 is lesser than 9. Borrowing 1 hundreds from 2 hundreds. So, 2 hundreds and 5 tens is equal to 1 hundreds and 15 tens. Subtracting 15 tens minus 9 tens is equal to 6 tens. So, write 6 under tens column. Next step, 1 is less than 6. So, borrowing 1 thousands from 8 thousands. 8,000 and 100 is equal to 7,000 and 1100. Subtracting 11 hundreds minus 6 hundreds is equal to 5 hundreds. So, write 5 under hundreds column. Step 4. 7 is greater than 3. So, 7 thousands minus 3 thousands is equal to 4 thousands. Write 4 under thousands column. Therefore, 8267 minus 3698 is equal to 4569. Now let us learn the concept of subtraction properties. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Example, 2635 minus 0 is equal to 2635. So, if 0 is subtracted from any number, we will get the original number only. Second property, when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number before, that is, predecessor of the given number. Example, 2635 minus 1 is equal to 2634. So, 2634 is the predecessor of 2635. Third property, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. Example, 2635 minus 2635 is equal to 0. Children, in the previous video we had given the assignment. Hope you have completed it. Let's check the answers. Today's assignment. Subtract the following. Find the difference between the following by arranging them in columns. Fill in the blanks. Thank you.